Come, pass the corned beef for me send go buy. Deal. Deal. Deal, look on the corned beef here, Deal. Deal, look on the corned beef, Deal. Look on the corned beef here, Deal.
In a heavy lid.
What the key for the corned beef there, Deal?
Key, oh.
Deal, why you go to supermarket and take up the corned beef without key, Deal? Oh, you open the corned beef, Deal. Open the corned beef. Open the corned beef. Open the corned beef. No, me. Open the corned beef now. Oh, you got super. 15 corned beef probably there on the shelf and you take the one without key, Deal. Open it, let me see. Open the corned beef, let me see, Deal.
Oh, poor thing.
Open the...
Oh.
Open the corned... Why you would have buy the corned beef without key, Deal? It's a little boy.
Me know that feeling because I used to do it enough.
You fuck over time. Yeah. Me just a do me $8 and cut. The super tell me say the work enough, but me no give a fuck. Me just a do me $8 and cut. The boss a kill me with work while for your foot back up. Me just a do me $8 and cut. If them want hear this empire, me no give a fuck. Me just a do me $8 and cut.
Do you remember Charles?
Your neighbor?
Yes, he was riding his bike the other day, and I saw him fell off, break his neck. Now his whole spleen is just destroyed. You should have seen it. I was gonna try to help him out, and I am gonna go up to the hospital and see what they gonna do with his neck, cause it looked like he had his twisted up like one of them damn pretzels. So we gonna see what they gonna do with that, but I don't want to get too close to him, cause you know he the one that like to ask for money all the time, and I ain't got the fungo for that. You know?
Grandma, what?
What you talking about?
Tommy! Yes, Tommy? Stop watching TV and come for your dinner. Juba, you want some?
Me no want none.
But see ya, you ever hungry? What make you don't want none?
My mother said me not fi eat from you.
Watch ya. Your mother say no feed from me? You're too lie.
Hey.
Liar.
Why not?
She say you have rat and roach in your house and she wonder how they not drag you away yet.
Me rock a foot, but Jesus kiss me neck back.
Talk about kiss. She say if you stop kissing people then pick me at daytime when them pass your yard.
So tell me why she said that now.
She say you suck too much wood.
Watch ya, come down. Tell your mother for go and don't come back over here, hear that?
You think I lie, you think people not talk about each other when they're around? Neighbor them over there chat about you see man them mouth just run like a parrot.
Yo,
What?
bro, you're so ugly.
I'm ugly. Didn't you get cut for the basketball team?
Yo,
Didn't you get cut from the basketball team? Don't you have like a 1.0 GPA? Didn't your mom get shot? Does your dad have cancer?
Brother,
But I'm ugly though, right?
I was
Is
just
your cousin disabled? Cousin Jeffrey?
did not take a joke.
He can't even move. He's paralyzed. I'm ugly though, right? Aren't you homeless? You wear these same pants every day. That's the only pants you have. You only have one pair of pants in your whole inventory. I'm ugly though, right? I'm ugly though, right? I'm ugly though, right? Wait, does your mom work at McDonald's? You have no money, but I'm ugly though, right? Wait, what happened to your uncle?
dog, chill out, no, brother. You know that
The guy got
serious.
shot in his head, in his dome, in his skull, in his tibia, and he's dead. But I'm ugly though, right? I'm ugly though, right? Wait, what happened to your sister? Did she get kidnapped? And he took her away? But I'm ugly though, right? I'm ugly though, right? Oh, okay.